Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the drive-in, I am not on the Blue Ridge Parkway, one of my favorite places. So I'm actually up at the Outer Banks up in North Carolina. You could tell from the intro video, we're here at the coast, and I'm up here to do a workshop, a photography workshop, and just really excited to meet the workshop leader. We can talk about that later, and just connect with other photographers. And I love coastal scenes, so just really excited to be up here. It's going to be a 3-day workshop, so it starts today, late this afternoon, and then the next couple days we'll be doing sun up and sundown shooting, and then some editing and things like that. So really excited to be here. So let's get some video here the next day or so, see what we got. Okay, so nothing fancy about this. It's a lighthouse. It's kind of framed with a building on the right side over here, and then we have these row of bushes on the left side. So options are kind of limited on how we're going to frame it and shoot it. So here it is. It's ISO 100 f13 at 1/90th of a second, and see what we got. All right, hey, so I found this at ramp 34. It's a beach walk that I love. I know it's blown out right now. You really can't tell what we got here, but there's this really cool shadow right here. Okay, and remember, I'm thinking black and white. So there's this really awesome shadow in the morning sun. It's about 9:30, so the sun's coming up strong now. So it's casting this beautiful shadow on this walk. As far as the camera itself, I did add a neutral density filter, 0.9. That's just gonna kind of knock the sky down. I may add a little more after I take a couple shots. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so just a note here at the end, I think I've captured something that may turn out good. Maybe you'll see it, maybe you won't, depending on how it comes out. But when I talk to people about photography and discuss photography and what I do, and I say that I intentionally look for black and white photographs when I go out shooting, this is the perfect example. You know, from a color photograph standpoint, let's see if I can get this in here. This wouldn't have been a great color photograph, and I know it's all blown out, the sky's blown out with the sun, but this wouldn't make a great color photograph right now, just because there's not a lot of color in it. But again, you have great shadows, you have some details, some texture. You're going to have all those elements that really make a great black and white photograph. So again, I look and I see things like this, the shadows, the walk, right? It's a nice straight walk to the beach. So I see these kind of things, and that's what, you know, sends my antenna up and says, hey, that might be a great black and white picture. So hope you enjoyed this shot. What's up, guys? Here, day 2 of the workshop. It's been great. We shot a sunset lighthouse last night, or a lighthouse at sunset, however you want to say that. I'll have an image of that, so that looked good. This morning we went to a pier here on the Outer Banks that's really decommissioned, not really abandoned, but it's decommissioned right now, and we did a sunrise shoot there. We went and shot another lighthouse just a few minutes ago, and now we're heading up maybe 35 miles or so to catch another lighthouse and then a sunset up here. So hey, it's going good. Really having a good time here. It's great to connect with people, you know, photographers of all different skill levels, you know, all the way from professionals to just people that are just wanting to get out and shoot, and you know, decided to take a workshop. So hey, that's great. The Outer Banks, it's really cool. You know, I've never been here, which is very bizarre. Again, growing up in South Carolina, we really hit the South Carolina beaches and the Florida beaches. I have been to some North Carolina beaches, but never here. So it's really cool. Driving on the beach here in the off season, that's nice. So during the downtime, I could hit the beach. My wife's with me, so during the middle of the day when we're not doing the workshop, we can hit the beach and eat, just have a good time. It's not really hot. It's 68 degrees right now, so just a great day, great workshop, and so more to come. But again, so here's a couple images that I've captured so far and a little bit of detail about them.